A shocking piece of news is shaking the world. China is doing what other countries have only seen in science fiction movies. While the rest of the world is still stuck in discussions and problems, China is quietly building a future that feels unreal. A future where cars drive themselves, drones deliver food, cities run on algorithms, and machines replace humans. In today's video, we'll explore the real technologies China has already built, technologies so advanced they will blow your mind. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. China is moving forward as if someone turned on a time machine. While many countries are still struggling with traffic and fuel issues, China has launched massive drone delivery networks. Companies like Meituan have already completed over 300,000 drone deliveries, cutting delivery time from 30 minutes to just 15 minutes. JD.com has gone even further, creating drones that can carry 5 to 30 kilograms of cargo, now called trucks of the sky. These drones deliver to remote villages where trucks cannot reach. JD has also built automatic drone charging stations, where drones land, recharge, update routes, and take off on their own. By 2025, drones in 120 Chinese cities will be connected through 5G and satellite navigation, delivering food, medicines, e-commerce products, and even blood samples within minutes. Drones are no longer just flying. They are thinking. Now, let's talk about cars. This year alone, 15 million cars in China are launching with autonomous driving capabilities. That means 2 out of every 3 new cars can drive themselves. One standout is the GUA 0, the world's first car with a real AI brain. You can simply say, "Come to me," and the car will drive itself to you from 2 kilometers away. With 11 HD cameras, multiple radars, and ultrasonic sensors, it can change lanes, park itself, and understand traffic better than humans. Then there's BYD's Yangwang U8 SUV, a true survival machine. It can rotate 360 degrees, slide sideways into parking spaces, and even drive through deep floodwater like a boat. This is not a concept, it's already on sale. Its intelligent off-road system scans terrain, rocks, and water levels, automatically adjusting suspension and sealing the engine in emergencies. Now, let's talk about charging. While electric cars in many countries take hours to charge, China has built the world's fastest charging system. BYD's latest technology delivers 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. In 2025, BYD introduced megawatt hypercharging stations, providing 150 kilometers of range in just 2 minutes. With 98% energy efficiency, charging is now fully automatic. A robot recognizes your car and plugs it in by itself. Driving is hands-free. Charging is hands-free. China's Maglev trains are equally shocking. They don't touch the ground and reach speeds of over 400 miles per hour, cutting travel time between major cities by more than half. New superconducting Maglev trains have crossed 700 miles per hour in trials, making them faster than airplanes. Passengers enjoy wireless charging, AI service bots, and silent rides. But China's biggest weapon isn't transport. It's AI education. Even 6-year-old children are learning AI and coding in schools. AI project fairs are now mandatory, so children grow up not just as users, but creators. China has even built highways using fully autonomous machines, working non-stop without human labor. At 62 airports, tickets are no longer needed. Facial recognition completes entry in just 12 seconds. Behind it all is the Tianwang Skynet system, powered by hundreds of millions of cameras monitoring movement across the country. And now, the most shocking development: human-like robots. Chinese companies have created androids that look and move like real humans. Some of these robots are now doctors, treating thousands of patients daily with over 90% accuracy. China has already opened its first robot hospital. Even farming is automated. Drones spray crops, robots harvest fields, and GPS machines plant crops faster than humans ever could. From farms to hospitals, from roads to the sky, China has handed the future to machines. So, if you think the future is coming, You're wrong. The future has already arrived in China. The only question is the rest of the world ready? Tell us in the comments. Will this technology be a blessing for humanity or a danger? If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll meet again with another story from the future. Thank you.